all of you who are here to welcome, celebrate, and be in partnership with our colleagues in Ukraine. You're going to hear quite a variety of music, and all of it is really to bring music to your hearts, bring you all together, and we're going to just invite Stefan to come to stage.
Put your hands together, Stefan Zeitz.
So my name is Stefan Zeitz, and I came here to play Bandura and really kind of highlight what it is and kind of show people more of Ukrainian tradition and culture. I think that the Bandura is a kind of an element of folk music that you don't really get the opportunity to hear because there's so few of us.
And so I am thrilled to have an opportunity to join you all here tonight, to participate, to learn more about our friends in the Ukraine, figure out how we can help support them. And so I'd like to just close by thanking the people of Ukraine for the courage and conviction to be standing guard as freedom's guardian on the forefront, democracy's guardian, and all that they have to be subjected to in order to accomplish that. And just thank them from the bottom of my heart for everything they do, and find ways every day where we can better support them. So thank you all.
So yes, please support Ukraine. And the best way to do that is to donate to Ukrainian military, who actually, literally, destroy evil and do it in the most cost-effective way. The second option is easy. Just talk to your neighbors. I know that there are people of goodwill who can understand what's going on. Just bring this information to them. Because Ukraine is fighting for values common for all entire civilized world. And yes, please support humanitarian organizations who work in Ukraine. Because we save lives. Period. Thank you.
Every day, Ukraine goes to work. Every day, home base goes to work. Every day, GRM goes to work. And we know that this work is going to last for years to come.
Кожного ранку Україна йде до роботи, GRM йде до роботи, Homebase йде до роботи. Ця робота буде ще тривати.
All of you here are part of that. You make our work possible. So thank you. Дякую. Слава Україні.
And I'm a Ukrainian soprano who had the best time collaborating with wonderful artists and doctors from the United States and Ukraine to bring very important help to those in need. We are so supportive of Ukrainians. We are with you, we're standing, and we're supporting every step of the way, and the United States is with you.
no matter what. Our team at GRM and the team at home base, our Ukrainian colleagues who are here, and perhaps most importantly, Ukraine's defenders, we will all wake up, we will always remember our purpose, and we will go to work. Slava Ukraini!
My name is Carol Carter, and I came with my husband who worked with some of these doctors from Scotland.
Wonderful. And what was your experience at this concert? How do you like
I
it?
thought it was really powerful. I'm a former classical musician, and I enjoyed it from the musical perspective as well as the emotional.
Я на вбогім сумнім перелозі буду сіять барвисті квітки, буду сіять квітки на морозі, буду лить на них сльози гіркі. І від сліз тих гарячих розтане та кора льодовая, міцна. Може, квіти зійдуть і настане ще й для мене весела весна. Я на гору круту крем'яною.
In the last 2 weeks, home base became not only the home for American veterans, but also a home for Ukrainians.
Кожен новий день українця, він складається з великих викликів, а кожен новий день ветерана, військового пораненого, він має дуже складний шлях, тому що ми маємо пацієнтів не тільки військовопоранених з контузіями, а й людей, які повертаються після полону та мають багато ампутацій.
So every Ukrainian every day faces tough challenges, but people, veterans who have received bad wounds, mental and physical, also face very tough challenges because we not only receive people in our facilities who have underwent tough battles, but also we receive people from captivity. It is a big honor to represent the medical community that treats the mental wounds of our warriors and our defenders.
Ми прекрасно розуміємо ті умови, в яких працюють наші військові. Це щоденна робота, рутинна робота. І наша основна мета – це зберегти нашу країну.
We completely understand the environment and the conditions that our defenders work in, the routine work that they conduct, and our main goal is to save our country.
Thank you all for coming here. Thank you all for supporting liberty and freedom and fight for those values. And on behalf of all Ukrainian people, I want to say thank you to all American people who have, as I said, enough mind in their hand and enough love in their heart to support our fight. So, glory to America. І слава Україні!
Героям!